passengers, in a moment, Mutiara Selatan train will depart from Gambir to Malang, which is the final station. The train will also stop at Bekasi, Purwakarta, Cimahi, Bandung, Kiara Condong, Cipendei, Tasikmalaya, Ciamis, Banjar, Kawanganten, Jeruk Legi, Kroya, Karanganyar, Wonosari, Kuto Arjo, Yogyakarta, Solo Balapan, Madiun, Nganjuk, Kertosono, Jombang, Mojokerto, Surabaya Gubeng, Wonokromo, Sidoarjo, Bangil, Sukorejo, Lawang, and Malang. Thank you. Dear passengers, welcome to Mutiara Selatan train, which will take us to our final destination of Malang Station. The trip takes around 20 hours, 20 minutes. If you need help or other information, you can contact our duty officer on this trip. For your convenience and security, we urge you to remain vigilant about your belongings. We will not be responsible for any lost or damaged items. Please be informed that this is a non-smoking train. You are not allowed to smoke anywhere on the train, including in the toilets or on the landings. Enjoy your trip. Thank you.
Penumpang yang kami hormati, sesaat lagi kereta api Mutiara Selatan akan tiba di stasiun Bekasi. Bagi Anda yang akan mengakhiri perjalanan di stasiun Bekasi, kami persilahkan untuk mempersiapkan diri. Periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda. Jangan sampai ada yang tertinggal atau tertukar. Untuk keselamatan Anda, tetaplah berada di tempat duduk sampai kereta berhenti dengan sempurna. Terima kasih atas kepercayaan Anda menggunakan jasa layanan Kereta Api Indonesia. Sampai jumpa pada perjalanan berikutnya.
Dear passengers, in a moment, Mutiara Selatan train will arrive at Bekasi Station. For those of you who will end your trip at Bekasi Station, please prepare yourself. Check your luggage and belongings. Make sure that nothing is left behind. For your safety, it is forbidden to open the train door before the train completely stops. Thank you for choosing train services from Indonesian Railways Company. See you on your next trip. Dear passengers, in a moment, Mutiara Selatan train will arrive at Purwakarta Station. For those of you who will end your trip at Purwakarta Station, please prepare yourself. Check your luggage and belongings. Make sure that nothing is left behind. For your safety, it is forbidden to open the train door before the train completely stops. Thank you for choosing train services from Indonesian Railways Company. See you on your next trip.
Penumpang yang kami hormati, sesaat lagi kereta api Mutiara Selatan akan tiba di stasiun Cimahi. Bagi Anda yang akan mengakhiri perjalanan di stasiun Cimahi, kami persilahkan untuk mempersiapkan diri. Periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda. Jangan sampai ada yang tertinggal atau tertukar. Untuk keselamatan Anda, tetaplah berada di tempat duduk sampai kereta berhenti dengan sempurna. Terima kasih atas kepercayaan Anda menggunakan jasa layanan Kereta Api Indonesia. Sampai jumpa pada perjalanan berikutnya.
Dear passengers, in a moment, Mutiara Selatan train will arrive at Cimahi Station. For those of you who will end your trip at Cimahi Station, please prepare yourself. Check your luggage and belongings. Make sure that nothing is left behind. For your safety, it is forbidden to open the train door before the train completely stops. Thank you for choosing train services from Indonesian Railways Company. See you on your next trip. Dear passengers, in a moment, Mutiara Selatan. Train will arrive at Bandung Station. For those of you who will end your trip at